If you're experiencing payout issues on Bitbucket Cloud, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check payment information. Ensure that your payment information is up to date. Log into your Bitbucket account, navigate to the billing section, and verify that your credit card details or payment method are correct. Step 2. Review account status. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact support. If your payment information is correct and there are no alerts, reach out to Bitbucket support. Provide them with detailed information about your payout issue, including any error messages you may have received. Step 4. Check for service outages. Visit the Bitbucket status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance activities that could be affecting payouts. If there is an outage, you may need to wait until it is resolved. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any responses. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, follow up with them to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payout issues on Bitbucket Cloud quickly. If problems persist, continue to communicate with support for further assistance.